Why does the bottom of a bottle break when you hit it? Here's a weird one. Ever seen someone smack the top of a glass bottle and boom, the bottom just shatters off? Looks like magic, right? But it's actually pure physics. When you hit the top of a bottle filled with water, the whole bottle moves downward really fast. But the water inside can't keep up. It's just a tiny bit slower to move. And because water can't really be compressed or stretched, that sudden gap near the bottom creates tons of tiny vacuum bubbles. They collapse almost instantly, with enough force to crack the glass from the inside. It's called cavitation, and it's the same effect that can actually damage ship propellers underwater. Pretty wild for a party trick, huh? And if you're thinking about trying it, maybe don't, because it only works with still water. Soda or beer, totally safe. All that dissolved gas fills the gaps before they can implode. So yeah, a tap on top and physics does the rest. And that's baby science for you.